Welcome to the Baby Cubby. Today we're going to be comparing Happy Baby wraps versus Happy Baby carriers. Happy Baby wraps are essentially just long strips of fabric that are made out of organic bamboo and cotton. They're super lightweight and breathable, making them great for hot weather. They can carry up to 25 pounds, so they're ideal for your newborns. Now I'll demonstrate how to use the Happy Baby wrap. Happy Baby carriers are slightly more structured than the wraps, but they're still less bulky than other carriers on the market. They can hold kids up to 45 pounds, and they've got ultra-wide straps that won't dig into your shoulders. The best part is that they're adjustable and they've got thick shock-absorbing foam. The carrier also has extra padding where baby's legs come out, which is a huge plus. And overall, it's still very compact and easy to take on the go. There's also a hidden pocket in front that holds the sun cover and makes discreet nursing easy. All of these added features, plus the higher weight capacity, does make the carrier more expensive than the wrap, so that's something to consider when shopping for baby carrying products. Now I'll show you how to put on the Happy Baby carrier. This version of the carrier is called the Revolution because it has multiple carrying positions. You can wear it on your front or your back, and unlike the other carrier, you can have your baby face towards you or away from you. Each of these options also comes in multiple fabric colors, so you can keep baby close and explore the world together without having to sacrifice your personal style. Thanks for watching. You can shop Happy Baby carriers or wraps on babycubby.com. We offer free shipping on orders of $25 or more. To learn more details about the Happy Baby carrier, you can click on this video. Subscribe and let us know what you want to see next time.